TOHO CHIKAKOKI Company Limited was established in 1946. Since then, we have never stopped thinking about the unlimited potential of the resources that lie beneath our feet. With this mindset, we have tackled mechanical engineering-related research and development and built a strong track record. TOHO CHIKAKOKI carries out all production processes at its factory in Japan, from design to actual manufacturing, and thereby ensures stable quality and flexible production that caters to the needs of the customer. We are able to respond to requests for changes in specifications and offer flexibility in delivery dates. Sales offices of TOHO CHIKAKOKI are spread throughout Japan for product sales and maintenance. Our sales offices offer meticulous support that enables us to fully satisfy various requirements, whether they are climatic, such as high temperature and humidity and heavy snow, or geological. As a result of the company's active international sales efforts, TOHO CHIKAKOKI products can be found in various parts of the world. Our customers operating in varying environments express their deep satisfaction with our products for their outstanding capabilities, cost performance, and safety. TOHO CHIKAKOKI's products, backed by solid trust and an excellent track record, are used in a wide array of applications, including geological surveys and well and hot spring drilling. In particular, our compact test boring machines have a high share and repute in Japan due to their functionality. The D-series boring machines are compact and lightweight, and boast the versatility needed to handle virtually all geological survey needs. They also feature high expandability and can be used with the custom-designed sled and drum hoist to travel over snow or soft ground. They can also be mounted with a special compact mast, which can be used instead of a tripod. The AK-01 is used exclusively for rock bolt installation and was developed based on customer requests to reduce work cost and be eco-friendly. It is widely used in many parts of Japan and Southeast Asia. The main features are its all-air driving system and patented double-tube drilling capability. With its lightweight body of only 230 kilograms, the machine can be used in elevated or restricted spaces. The K-Series has an all-oil hydraulic driving system, as well as strong torque and thrust force. Machines in this series are able to carry out drilling in deep pits and anchor work at high elevations. The K-Series machines are more compact and lightweight compared to similar competing products and are capable of smooth transfer even on sites with poor footing. This high-power, high-function series offers the ultimate solution for slope stabilization, made possible with our patented powering technology.